Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre, TSI, SEL, 115 PS. Now the silver stunner's in a great condition and it has a top spec, including an automatic post-collision braking system, a driver alert system, an anti-lock braking system, hill hold control, and these 16-inch Minas alloy wheels. The boot's very deep and even comes with a spare wheel. The interior has an 8-inch colour touchscreen, 2-zone climate control and a multi-device interface. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop in to Western Volkswagen Newbridge.